Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we will learn how to create glass effect in Photoshop. So let's quickly get into the video. Press Ctrl or Command J to duplicate your layer. Right click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Choose Rectangle tool from the toolbar and create a shape. Fill it with white. Bring it below the layer. Come to the layer, right click and choose Create Clipping Mask. Now go to Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Change its radius to around 20 and hit OK. Again go to Filter, Filter Gallery. Fit it in the view. Choose Glass. Change the following values and hit OK. Now right click on the rectangle layer and choose Blending options. Click on Bevel and Emboss and change the following values. You can change them as per your requirement. Hit OK when you feel satisfied and you are done. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.